Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 2008 Blue Ridge Crescent in Northeast Pickering. This beautiful home features 4 bedrooms, combined living room, dining room, eating kitchen, main floor family room. But to talk more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim?
Yes, Angelo?
Are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
Welcome to 2008 Blue Ridge Crescent, a wonderful 4-bedroom family home situated within the Brock Ridge community of Pickering. Complementing the garage parking, and with no sidewalk on this side of the street, the driveway can accommodate up to 4 vehicles, and an interlocking walkway leads to a covered front porch opening into a ceramic-tiled entrance foyer. And off the foyer and main hallway is a powder room and a double coat closet, as well as 2 separate entrances into the combined living and dining rooms. Warm and inviting, and bathed in the ambient glow of an elegant ceiling light fixture in the dining area, textured accent walls add a subtle finishing touch to these beautiful entertaining spaces. California shutters on the windows provide light control and privacy, and can be found on most of the windows throughout the home. This room is also finished with hardwood flooring, which flows throughout the main hall and into a bright yet cozy family room. A wonderful space for casual entertaining, textured walls and crown moldings give this room an aura of elegance. Hot lighting adds evening brightness, while a corner gas fireplace brings warmth to the room. A wall cutout maintains an openness between the family room and the adjacent kitchen and breakfast area. Finished with a ceramic tiled floor with mosaic accents, this family and workspace features pot lighting, a ceramic backsplash, a stainless steel double sink with drain board, cabinetry with a separate built-into-the-wall pantry, and includes all appliances. Off the kitchen is a pocket door which opens to the laundry room, which is complete with washer, dryer, and cabinetry storage, as well as having a secondary side door entry. While from the breakfast area is a walkout to a fully fenced backyard with an interlocking patio area that is ready to be transformed into a dream outdoor retreat. And this home also features an unfinished lower level that has great potential for additional household living space. To the upper level is a staircase with hardwood treads, as well as a hardwood railing with wrought iron spindles, and its huge staircase window floods bright natural light throughout the upper hall. Finished with hardwood flooring in the hallway, this level features a 4-piece family washroom with a ceramic tiled bath area, and 4 spacious bedrooms finished with laminate flooring, with the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms additionally featuring built-in wall organizers for closet storage, as well as ceiling fans. The graciously sized master bedroom showcases 3 east-facing windows for abundant natural brightness, and its large walk-in closet also has an east-facing window. And completing this beautiful space is a 4-piece ensuite washroom featuring a ceramic tiled floor and finishes, a soaker tub, and a separate walk-in shower. Walking distance to Valley Farm Public School, parks, and public transit, this home is close to the Smart Center's Pickering Big Box Shopping Plaza, golf courses, the Pickering Recreation Complex, the GO Station, as well as the Pickering Town Center Mall, while access to Highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.